Hi everyone, I want to show you how to paint rasters in QGIS. Version 3 has a bit of a different interface. So let's double click the layer, then go to symbology. Currently what we have here is single band gray, which is quite boring. Let's go for something more liveful, the pseudo color. In this raster I only have one band. Sometimes you'll have several bands, and then it's a bit different, but you can define the range you want to paint from the raster. Let's say I only want to go for the mountains. I can specify that my minimal height here is 1000 meters, but I still have the minus 371. You can specify the interpolation method, which is not really useful. What you do want to play with is the selection of colors you're using, and that's a different color map, and the type of mapping you're doing, that's continuous. It looks like that. You can go to equal interval, and then the number of classes is active. You can define how many classes you want on your map, or you can go for quantiles, which means the number of points is the same at each color ramp. It looks completely different. But no one does height maps with greens, so I think the spectral is more appropriate for that, and you don't need as many classes. Let's apply it. And yet I've never seen a map where the reds is the lowest points and the blues are the higher points. So let's go here and invert the color ramp and apply it, and that's more like it. See you, bye.